In the Emirates ATP race to London, the field is now confirmed, and it's Novak Djokovic way out in front. Andy Murray is second in this calendar year version of the Emirates ATP rankings. Just ahead of Switzerland's Roger Federer, a winner again in Basel this week. In fourth, it's the French Open champion Stan Wawrinka. Rafael Nadal is up to fifth after his impressive showing in Switzerland. Then it's the Czech Republic's Tomas Berdych in sixth. And tied in seventh on 3,945 points are David Ferrer and Kei Nishikori of Japan. In the Emirates ATP doubles race to London, it's the Bryan brothers who remain top. They stay just ahead of the Wimbledon champions Roger and Takao. In third place, it's Murray and Piers, the runners-up in SW19. Dodig and Melo, the French Open champions, are in fourth place. Then come the Australian Open winners Bolelli and Fognini in fifth, with French pair Herbert and Mahut, the US Open champions, in sixth. Matkowski and Zimonjic are seventh,